Right, so the next job is to get the cladding on, but I need some battens to attach it to. Now, it's going to attach to this bit at the top, so that's fine. But I've got some other battens that I need to start by getting on the bottom, and then we're going to put some more in the middle. The bottom ones are easy to do because they can just be lined up with the bottom of the wall and screwed into place. So, just going to work all the way around the building and get this on. Now I need to get the central batten, so what I've got is a stick with a little foot on it, which I'm just going to hook under the batten at the bottom, rest this one on top and get a screw in. Right, so with the battens on, it's time for the cladding. Now, what I've gone for is the cheapest option I could find, and that is some of these bitumen roof sheets. Now, these should be pretty low maintenance, easy to install, cheap. I wanted the building to be black anyway, and I quite like the look from when I used to do shepherd's huts with the wrinkly tin sides. So I'm going to start on the back wall. Obviously it's sloping, so I'm going to need to cut these sheets. So I've measured what the drop needs to be, and then I can get it marked out on the sheet. Now, I've never cut this before, but apparently it's pretty easy to do just using a handsaw. Right, now I can get the first one attached. So what I've got to hold this in place is some green decking screws and some plastic cups. So I can just get the screws driven in. Right, that's a row of screws along the top and the bottom. To get the middle row in, I've adjusted the stop on this batten that I did, and I can get these screwed in. So with the first one on, I can overlap the second one and just keep repeating all the way around. Get all these caps closed up over the screws and then move on to the next one. The handsaw worked okay, but now I'm going to give it a go. So cutting it with the jigsaw, I think, is definitely much quicker, so should speed this process up quite a lot. The cladding is now on all four sides, obviously the roof's on, so we've got a watertight building, apart from the door, so that's the next job. So for now, we'll leave it here. So thanks for watching, thanks to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos.